Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Isnania Rizkiani and my student number 018. I want to answer part 1. Number 1 is, are you a student or are you working? Actually, I'm student currently Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta in the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. And then majoring in English language education. And next, number 2, who made the decision about where you are currently studying? The decision I am studying now are my own. Since was I little, if I decide where and how I will study, and my parents have always agreed with my decision. And then, but before agree, my parents made sure I really want to go this page I decide on. And number 3, are you good at making decision? So far, I am good making decision from those with the small impact to the biggest. But sometimes there are decisions that make me feel sorry for myself, but that's okay. That makes me learn more to make appropriate decision. And then number 4, do you think you usually make the right decision? I usually provide the most relevant information based on data I have. However, right is often subjective. What is right for one person, another, which is why I try to provide multiple perspectives rather than single correct answers. And the last, number 5, what do you think about people who change their minds after making decision? I see changing one's mind sign of intellectual flexibility. When someone changes their mind because they receive new information or gain a new perspective, it's actually a very logical and healthy part of growth. It shows that the priorities, truth, and adaptation over simply being right the first time. For part 2, describe an important decision you have to make. I want to share a bit about the choice. If I made since I was young, especially when I comes to where I studied and my major, I wasn't the type to follow the crowd right from the start. I really took the time to figure out which school and major actually with my goals and interests. The most interesting part is that my parents were the biggest influence, but not in the way you'd expect. They didn't pass me around at all. Instead, they gave me their full trust. They always told me, "You are the one living this life, so you know your own capacity and needs best." The trust is exactly what gave me the confidence to choose my own path. Looking back, I really feel like I made the right calls because everything was my own choice. I never feel forced to study. Even when things get really tough, I stay motivated because I know this exactly where I want to be. I don't have any risk or what if. This was so important because it taught me about responsibility. Where you are given that much freedom, you actually become more careful with your decision because you want. Okay, and then I want to answer part 3. And number 1, do you think it's harder to make decisions nowadays because we have so many choice? Yes, I think so. Nowadays, the internet and social media give us so many options that it can be overwhelming. Some people call it analyze paralysis, but because my parents taught me to know my own needs, I see this choice as opportunities rather than a burden. Number 2, do you think young people today have different types of decisions to make compared to the past? Definitely. In the past, choices were often about survival or following tradition. Today, it's more about identify and finding a career that actually fits our personality. There's more pressure now to find the perfect path because the world is so competitive. Number 3, what are the advantages of asking for other people's advice when making a decision? The main benefit is getting a fresh perspective. Others can see blind spots or risks that we might miss because we are too close the situation. It's not about letting them choose for us, but about getting more information to make a better decision. Number 4, Why do you think some people are better at making decisions than others? I think it's all about practice. People who we are allowed to make their own choice from a young age. Like, I was usually more confident. Decision making is like muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And the last question, number 5. Some people say we only learn by making mistakes. Do you agree? I agree that mistakes are great teachers, but they aren't the only way to learn. In my case, being given trust and responsibility taught me just as much, because I didn't want was the freedom my parents gave me. I learned to think carefully before acting. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.